If you're serious about developing your fingerstyle technique as efficiently as possible, you can download the full practice package for this workout by visiting our Patreon page at the link below. We're going to start by making sure our right hand is placed in the middle of the sound hole or slightly behind. Either or is just fine and has a balanced tone. We want to make sure that when we are positioned, our fingers are slightly curled and that our thumb is rather flat. The thumb can also have a slight bend, but not too much. Now that we're in position, we can move on to plucking. If you're serious about developing your fingerstyle technique as efficiently as possible, you can download the full practice package for this workout by visiting our Patreon page at the link below. We'll take our index, middle, and ring fingers and place them on the top 3 strings. Then we're going to take the thumb and pluck the string by resting the thumb on the 6th string, putting pressure down, and then releasing. Again, we're going to first plant the thumb on the 6th string, and then we're going to add pressure so the string slightly bends, push, and release. Applying the index, middle, and ring fingers is optional. You can always work on it without as well. Again, we're going to take the thumb, put on the 6th string, rest, press, release. It's a good habit to practice getting the thumb to revert back to the 6th string right after it's been plucked. That way you'll be prepared to pluck the string again if needed. So again, let's pluck with the thumb and revert back to the string in preparation to pluck it again. We're going to start by covering the free stroke with the index finger on the 3rd string. We're going to make sure that when we pluck the string, we do not touch the adjacent string or lower string next to it. In this case, that would be the 4th string D. So we're going to go ahead and pluck with the index finger on the 3rd string. And then we're reverting back in preparation without touching. Again. Now we're going to move on to the rest stroke. In the rest stroke, we're going to be playing the 3rd string again with the index finger, and we're going to rest on the adjacent string here, the D string. So let's go ahead and pluck the index finger on the 3rd, and then rest on the 4th. Again. We're going to rest the index finger on the 3rd string and push down and rest the index finger on the 4th. One more time. serious about developing your fingerstyle technique as efficiently as possible, you can download the full practice package for this workout by visiting our Patreon page at the link below.